Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO F6 and let me show you how to add Google account here. First of all, open the settings, then select Google and mark sign in to your Google account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or LTE, whatever, you just need to have some network connection, and then provide either your email address or phone number. And mark next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. Once it is entered, tap on next. I agree. Accept. And that's it. As you can see, the account is added and you can smoothly use it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.